Hi everyone, my name is Judith and today I will be showing you what it's like to be an EDGE Coworking member. EDGE is located at the Sheridan College HMC campus in the B Wing in room B290. When you see the orange stairs and the pink wall, you'll know you're in the right spot.
When you walk in, Addie will be happy to greet you. Hi Addie.
Hey.
Can I get a quick tour?
When you walk in, you will first see our bright community space where coworkers and staff can eat, chill, ideate, and conversate. As you walk through our co-working space, you'll notice our dedicated desks, monitors, meeting rooms, supply wall, and our drop-in room where I shot this. Oh, and did I tell you we got snacks? My favorite place to be. The kitchen. All coworkers can drink unlimited coffee and tea, use our appliances, and store their lunches. When you join EDGE, you automatically have access to Optics, where you can find out about our upcoming events, book your meeting rooms, locker rentals, hot desks, and more. Did I tell you that you also get invited to networking and workshop events like this, and this? If you're feeling stuck and feel like you need to talk to someone, EDGE Coworking also offers access to industry advisors so you can learn more about digital marketing, legalities, funding, and much more. Want to experience all the fun for yourself? Book a tour now and try our bright co-working space for a 5-day free trial. Visit the link in our bio or email us at edge@sheridancollege.ca to find out more. Hope to see you soon!